Decoding the Diode, OLED, AMOLED, and Super AMOLED explained. OLED, the foundational emissive technology. OLED stands for Organic Light-Emitting Diode. It is the foundational technology where organic, carbon-based thin films are placed between two conductors. When an electric current is applied, these organic materials emit their own light. Crucially, each pixel is a self-contained light source, eliminating the need for a separate backlight unit, which is the core distinction from LCDs. True black and infinite contrast. The greatest advantage of OLED lies in its ability to achieve true black. When a pixel is instructed to display black, it is simply turned off completely, consuming zero power. This capability results in an effectively infinite contrast ratio, as there is no light bleed, unlike traditional liquid crystal displays, LCDs, where the backlight is constantly on. Introducing the active matrix, AM. The term AMOLED stands for Active Matrix Organic Light-Emitting Diode. This is not a fundamentally different light-emitting material but an advanced pixel control mechanism applied to OLED panels. The active matrix uses a thin film transistor, TFT, backplane, similar to those found in LCDs, to actively manage the state of each individual pixel. Faster response and higher resolutions. The TFT active matrix in AMOLED is vital for performance. It incorporates a storage capacitor and at least 2 transistors per pixel. This design allows the pixels to be switched on and off much faster, resulting in microsecond range response times. This superior control is essential for modern, high-resolution screens with fast refresh rates, significantly reducing motion blur in videos and games. Power efficiency in dark themes. AMOLED displays offer power efficiency advantages, particularly in content with dark or black backgrounds. Because the pixels are turned off for black colors, less power is drawn. Research has shown that in dark mode scenarios, AMOLED can be significantly more efficient than LCD, though overall power consumption still increases substantially when displaying full white or very bright colors. Super AMOLED, Samsung's differentiation. Super AMOLED is primarily a marketing term coined by Samsung. It describes an AMOLED panel where the touch-sensitive layer, or digitizer, is integrated directly into the display panel itself rather than being a separate overlay. This manufacturing integration is the key difference from the earlier, non-Super AMOLED versions. The benefit of integration. Integrating the touch layer into the display matrix yields multiple technical benefits. It results in a thinner display stack, which is crucial for modern, sleek mobile devices. Furthermore, the removal of an air gap between the display and the touch layer substantially reduces light reflection, improving visibility by up to 80% in bright direct sunlight compared to first-generation AMOLED. Performance and brightness gains. Beyond better outdoor visibility, Super AMOLED technology also typically boasts enhanced performance metrics. Samsung has claimed that Super AMOLED is engineered to be up to 20% brighter and consume about 20% less power for comparable content than its standard AMOLED predecessors, primarily due to the integrated, more efficient structure. Which is better in practice. The distinction is subtle. OLED is the material, the light source. AMOLED is the structure, active matrix, that controls the OLED pixels, making it high performance. Super AMOLED is the most refined version of AMOLED, featuring an integrated touch layer for maximum brightness, outdoor visibility, and thinness. For a technical enthusiast, Super AMOLED generally represents the best implementation of the technology. The cost versus longevity trade-off. All three technologies share similar drawbacks, namely higher manufacturing cost compared to LCDs, and a susceptibility to burn-in or image persistence, where static elements can cause uneven material degradation over time. However, ongoing innovations in active matrix control and pixel shifting algorithms are continually improving the longevity and reliability of modern AMOLED and Super AMOLED panels.